I'm Jay. I've been living and teaching American English in Japan for 15 years. I started English Life to help others learn English pronunciation. In today's lesson, I'd like to continue with our phonic blend sounds with the letters AU, EW, CH, GH, and MB. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit the notification bell. So sit back and get ready to practice together. Let's give it a try. Aw, audio, sauce, automobile. Ew, jewels, screw, newspaper. Anchor, school, Christmas. Cough, laugh, tough guy. Thumb, bomb, lamb. Did you find this video helpful? I upload videos every week. Please don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe. I have other videos on English pronunciation here. Until next time, this is Jay signing off. See you again real soon. Bye.